Hello again, welcome back. I promise you there's no 1 hour long video today. This one's going to be purely about what I've done so far with the little mini tractor. All the bits are dry now and covered up. All I've done today, I haven't put this on camera, but I've split the wheels. I've got the tyres under there. There's our tyres. I've split the wheels and got them in white primer. And the seat is in white primer, and obviously you've seen this already, our engine is in white primer. So next job is going to be get the white on these bits, because all these bits here need to be white. These are our two front wheels, another two front wheels, pair of back wheels, another pair of back wheels, and they just bolt together with 6 little nuts and bolts that go around there. So very quick video today, and this won't be sort of, it's not going to be an hour long job. I just wanted to keep you updated of what I'm doing today. I haven't showed you the paint process of this because I'm sure after my 1 hour marathon yesterday you're sick to death of how to prep for paint. So now these are primed, you know what I've got to do, and I will get the top coat on. Right, that is it for now. I'll probably turn the camera back on if I get these in white today, which I'm hoping I will. So, yeah, we'll call that a day. Bye-bye for now. So, back again. And as promised, it's later on in the day. And we have all our wheels painted white. Seat is painted white. Axles painted black. All the wheels are now painted. And our engine is painted. Ta-da! We have a nice coat. If you wonder what colour this is, it is Jaguar Old English white that I had left over. So yeah, today, got the brake sprayed satin black as well, so brake axles done. So really, next job, I'll give this, what's it, Wednesday today. Yeah, I'll probably give this 2 or 3 days to totally harden off, and probably after the weekend I'll get the wheels back, tyres back on the wheels, and then we can start fitting up the chassis. Put the back axle on, get the engine actually on the gearbox chassis, and then weigh up how all that goes, and then that can be lowered into the main chassis. So yes, yeah, progress is good. This is going to look excellent when that's done. Right, I'm going. Bye-bye for now, guys. Ha ha.